Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to navigate the Discourse app, start conversations, manage channels, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to effectively collaborate and communicate with your team using Odoo's discussion app. Let's get started. This is what the Discourse environment looks like. The Discourse environment or the Discourse app is a means of communication between team members through either direct messages or channels. So the Discourse environment has different features. The first feature we'll talk about is the inbox. Every messages sent to you in Odoo's app, every message is sent to you on this system comes into the inbox. You get all the notifications in your inbox. So the inbox is where all messages are stored or are kept. So we have channels in the in this system. This is where every team members can be added. For instance, this particular team member is added into the general human resources, IT, and management channels. So channels work like groups. There are groups where other team members can be added so that they can communicate and collaborate, and everybody will get notified at the same time. Then you can make use of direct messages to communicate with your team. To add someone to a channel, you make use of this plus icon here. When you click on this plus icon, you can either add or join a channel. You can add someone. When you click on it, it will bring this dialog box, so you can type in the name of whatever channel you're trying to create. This is how you create a channel. For instance, I want to create one for management. Okay, management is already created. Let me just say executive. So you can click on create executive, and that's how you create a channel. But if you want to join a channel, you just have to search through the channel. Come here and search the name of the channel you're trying to join. For instance, general. And then you click on general, and then you'll be added to the channel. Then direct messages is when you want to talk to your teammates one-on-one. That's when you make use of direct messages. Then if you've never spoken to a person before and you want to reach out to your team member that you don't have right now on your direct message, you come to this place and start a conversation. When you click on this place, you type in whoever it is you want to start a conversation with. Let's say you want to start a conversation with this person, so you type in her name and you click on it, and it will bring you to where you can type in messages to this person, and you would see the person would see your message. This is just one way of making use of the discussion. If you do not want to directly go to the Discourse app, you can come here to this icon over here. When you click on it, you see all your messages. You see all chats channel. If you go to chat, you see everyone that you can send a direct message to. When you come to channels, you see all the groups or channels that you've been added to. So that is how to make use of the Discourse feature.